All right, congratulations. You've reached the end of the data modeling section of the course. Let's wrap things up here with some best practices and key takeaways from the section. So, number one, focus on building a normalized model from the start. Make sure you leverage table relationships and make sure that each table in your model serves a clear and distinct purpose. Next, organize dimension tables above the data tables in your model. This serves as a helpful visual reminder that filters always flow downstream. Third, avoid complex relationships unless absolutely necessary. You should aim to use one-to-many table relationships and one-way filters whenever you possibly can. And last but not least, hide fields from report view to prevent invalid filter context. This forces report users to filter using the proper primary keys from your dimension tables instead of foreign keys in your data tables. So that officially wraps up our section on data modeling. Next up, I'm going to hand it over to Aaron, who's going to introduce you to the incredibly powerful language known as DAX. Get excited because we are just getting started.